Hi, my name is Alexandra V, and happy holidays, everyone! Today I will be building a classic gingerbread house. This kit includes a pre-baked gingerbread cookies, white icing pouch, roof helper, gumdrop candies, holiday lights candies, holly and berry candies, peppermint balls, and gummy trees. Let's start. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. So the first step is to knead or massage the icing. The second step is to arrange the house pieces face down and pipe a thick line of icing on bottom and along the side edges of each front and back panel. The third step is to place the back panel upright on the base. And you should hold the pieces for 2 minutes and let it dry for 15 minutes. The fourth step is to pipe thick strips of icing along the roof peaks of front and back panels. The fifth step is to add the roof panels to house peaks. Hold in place for 1 minute. The sixth step is to attach the chimney to the roof. Separate gable pieces from the door piece by raking along snap lines. Step 7 is apply another thin line of icing to 2 edges of one gable, and you should hold it for 1 minute. The eighth step is to decorate with icing and candy. That's it. So now you have to take off the cap and snip at least 1/4 of the icing pipe. And now I'm going to apply a thick line of icing on each of these. Okay, now I finally finished adding the icing, and now I have to arrange them. And now I have to stick these together. So now I've put it together, and now I have to wait for 15 minutes for it to fully dry. And so then I can start doing the roof and chimney. So now I finished putting on the roof. Now we can use our roof helper. We just need to put it on like this. Now we have to attach the chimney to the roof. So now we have to break apart this scaffold, and we can put it on this side or the other side. This would go like. So now we can decorate. So now you can decorate with icing and candy. And you can use these, or you can put like gummy trees, peppermints, these, and gumdrops. So now I put in some peppermint candies on the top of the roof. Now I'm adding candy lights to the other side of the roof. So now I fully completed the gingerbread house. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays.